In this video, I will show you how to add custom colors in Tailwind CSS. So for this, if you need to see the documentation, here you can see if you go to docs, and here if you scroll a little bit, you can see this is colors. And if you scroll a little bit, you will see using custom color, customizing your color, you can go this section, and here you can see to add custom color you will have to follow all of these steps. Okay, so how you can do that? Look, here I have created a Tailwind CSS project using post CSS. So that means I'm using post CSS. Here you can see we're using post CSS. So the installation video link how you can set up your project is given in the video description. You can check that. In this video I'll show you how to add custom color in Tailwind CSS. Okay, so for this you can see here, as Tailwind CSS support inline CSS, you can simply type class, and right now you can define color of this text. For example, to apply text color, we say text, our color will be, for example, red, and you can define the variant will be 600. Okay, now if you back to your website, you can see that red color is applied. But what if you want to apply custom color? So for this, here you can see we'll have our input.css. Here we will define theme, we'll call theme, and inside this theme we will just define our color. So to define our color, you can see you will have to follow this prefix dash dash color, then your color name, then your color value. You can simply just copy this and put it here. So you can see, so this dash dash is for color. So you are going to add custom color, and the color name will be something like this. So for example, if you want to create a primary color, you can say this is primary, and now your primary color is created. You can just do the same way, dash dash color, and then you say secondary, and your secondary color will be something like this, hash 45390. I just provide a random color here. Okay, so how to use that? To use it here, we will simply remove all of this stuff to use custom color. As you are going to use it for text, you will define text, then here you will type primary, and you can see it's suggesting, and you see the preview here. So I'm getting this suggestion by installing Tailwind CSS intelligence plugin, and if you install the plugin you can get the suggestion. And if you back here, you can see the color has changed. Okay, the color has changed. You can just use it background, so you can just see it. So for example, let me use this color as background. We'll say busy, then primary, and now it will be the background color. If I refresh, you can see the background color is here. So let me define text color will be white, so that it can see properly. You can see it's mass elegant. You can apply some padding to see it properly. Let me define padding 20 pixel, and if I refresh, you can see, so the background color is now the primary color. You can also use the secondary color by following way. For example, let me take lorem text here, and now we'll apply. So our secondary color, class name text, and the secondary color is, you will type secondary color, and you see the color is here. And now you can see the text color is the secondary color. Okay, I hope you understand how you can customize color in Tailwind CSS.